So I've entered the iNaturalist platform, and this is my home screen. What I want to do is go to the Explore section of the screen, and there's a variety of different things you can do here. But let's start off with a simple mapping exercise. If you click on the map, you'll see that there's observers all across the world making observations in a variety of different locations. And I'm going to zoom in here a little bit and move over towards North America. And you'll see that there's observations out here in the Atlantic Ocean. And you might be thinking to yourself, well, what are people seeing out in the middle of the ocean? Well, you can just click on these small boxes and a pop-up window will appear indicating what has been observed. So mostly here's a bird, and here's a barnacle, and let's try this one here, flying fish, and one more, a spotted dolphin. So a variety of different organisms that have been spotted out in the ocean waters. And you could do a similar thing for land organisms.